What if I told you that the next big wave of Pi Network utility isn't just wrapped in smart contracts or payment systems, but in something way more fun? Something that billions of people are already addicted to daily. That's right, we're diving deep into the exciting world of gaming on Pi Network, and trust me, this isn't just about playing games for fun. We're talking real Pi, real users, real engagement, and real opportunities to boost our ecosystem like never before. So today we're peeling back the layers on how Pi Network is turning everyday games into powerful engines of growth and innovation. We'll explore how the Pi ecosystem is empowering game developers, how projects like Fruity Pi are already live and proving what's possible, and how this might be the biggest, untapped goldmine in the Pi world right now. Now let me ask you, do you think gaming is the future of Pi Network's utility? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my previous videos to catch up on all the latest Pi Network developments. The link is in the description below. Drop Pi Network to the moon in the comments along with your country so we can see how global this movement truly is. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel and help us bring you more juicy updates about Pi Network every single week. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram group and Facebook page to stay connected with the Pi community. And quick disclaimer. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. Now let's get into it. It's no secret that Pi Network has always been about more than just mining coins. It's about building an entire digital economy where users, pioneers like you and me, can actually use Pi in everyday digital experiences. And recently, one category is proving to be the perfect match for Pi's unique strengths: gaming. Now before you roll your eyes and think, games are just a distraction, let me tell you why gaming might be one of the smartest, most scalable, and exciting tools in Pi Network's utility arsenal. See, Pi isn't just some token floating in the crypto world, it's a movement. It's a massive social ecosystem built on trust, verification, and community-driven value. And guess what else thrives on those exact principles? You guessed it, games. At its core, gaming is social. Whether it's racing your friends, beating a global leaderboard, or teaming up for a boss battle, games bring people together in ways that traditional apps can't. Pi Network already has this thriving global community of real humans. So imagine tapping that energy into something as engaging as games, not just for fun, but with real Pi rewards, real advertising revenue, and real business growth. But this isn't just a theory anymore. Pi Network Ventures, the investment arm helping shape the future of the Pi ecosystem, has already highlighted gaming as a major vertical they're interested in. And for good reason. Think about how the attention economy works today. Everyone's competing for eyeballs, whether it's social media, streaming, or apps, but guess what takes up a huge chunk of people's time? Yep, games. They're fun, sticky, and drive repeat engagement like no other. People play games for hours without blinking. That's the kind of engagement most platforms would kill for. And Pi has the platform, the users, and now, the ambition to turn that engagement into real-world impact. And here's where it gets even more interesting. The gaming world is already full of players who are completely comfortable with virtual economies. They know how to earn coins, trade items, and even buy digital skins or boosts. So the leap from a traditional game economy to a Pi-integrated one, practically seamless. Now let's talk about something that's already up and running. It's called Fruity Pi. And it might just be the tastiest way to demonstrate Pi Network's gaming utility in action. On the surface, Fruity Pi looks like a fun little fruit merging puzzle. You drop fruits into a bin, evolve them into bigger ones, and avoid overflow. Sounds simple, right? But under the hood, it's a showcase of what Pi-powered gaming looks like when done right. In Fruity Pi, players can use real Pi to progress faster, unlock bonuses, and climb the leaderboard. This isn't just for bragging rights. This is live functioning utility. And what's even cooler is that Fruity Pi taps into the Pi ad network, bringing in ad-based monetization that goes back into the ecosystem. It's an app-level utility that directly supports the broader Pi economy. But here's what makes Fruity Pi more than just a cute game. It was designed from the ground up to show what's possible when developers leverage the full range of Pi Network's platform tools. We're talking Pi wallet integration, in-game payments with Pi, and native ad revenue all working together. It's not just fun, it's functional, and it proves that games can be powerful tools for onboarding users, encouraging spending, and rewarding participation, all with Pi. Now imagine dozens, no hundreds of games like Fruity Pi, each one offering unique experiences but all plugged into the Pi ecosystem. The potential is wild. And that's exactly what Pi Network Ventures is encouraging. They want developers to see this not just as a sandbox for experimentation, but as a real business opportunity. With a user base already in the millions and a strong verification system in place, Pi Network offers something few other platforms can: instant community access and monetization. The message to developers is loud and clear. If you're building a game, build it on Pi. The infrastructure is there, the traffic is there, the tools are ready. All you need is a great idea and a willingness to tap into this vibrant global network. What's beautiful about this vision is that it doesn't stop with entertainment. The Pi gaming ecosystem can drive education, productivity, social impact, and even local business engagement. Think educational quiz games that reward students with Pi, or farming simulators that teach sustainable agriculture while incentivizing players with micro rewards. The possibilities are endless. And for the community, yes, you watching this right now, it means more ways to earn, more ways to engage, and more value flowing through the ecosystem you helped build from day one. Every new game, every new app, every new feature that uses Pi adds more strength to our network and more legitimacy to our mission. What Fruity Pi represents isn't just a game, it's a spark, a starting point, a sign that we've moved beyond waiting for utility to happen and started creating it ourselves. It's a live example of how Pi can power more than payments, it can power experiences. Now, looking forward, Pi Network Ventures isn't just sitting back hoping developers show up. They're actively seeking out game creators and innovation teams who want to experiment, test, and build in the Pi universe. If you're a developer and you're sitting on a fun game idea, this is your moment. You don't need millions of dollars or some massive marketing team. Just plug into Pi, use the tools available, and let the community help you grow. And if you're a business owner, this applies to you too. Games aren't just for kids. Smart integrations like in-app Pi payments, sponsored challenges, or branded game levels can become real marketing tools to drive awareness and community loyalty. The open mainnet is live, mining is done. Now, it's about usage. It's about proving to the world that Pi isn't just another blockchain, it's a utility-first economy. Games are just one exciting way we're getting there, and Fruity Pi is just the beginning. So, whether you're a pioneer who loves gaming, a developer ready to innovate, or just someone who believes in the future of Pi, this is the time to get excited. We're not waiting for utility to magically appear, we're building it one app at a time. And in this new era of Pi, even something as simple as a fruit game can carry the power to shift the entire landscape. So to wrap it all up, today we explored how Pi Network is going full throttle into the gaming world to create more real utility for pioneers, developers, and businesses. We looked at how games like Fruity Pi are leading the charge, showing what's possible when fun meets function. And we broke down why the Pi ecosystem is one of the most promising platforms for game developers right now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Your support helps us keep bringing you the latest and most important updates from the Pi Network universe. Now here's a question for you. If you could build any game using Pi, what would it be about? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you've got ideas, questions, or contributions, we'd love to hear them too. Let's get that conversation started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.